Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. And I've got another video review to do today that's going to pay homage to one of the great shows of the 90s that we all came to love. And it started with a rap career and ended up being a TV show to being one of the best actors, best well-paid actors of all time. And Dixxon did a flannel to pay homage to it. And that is the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I mean, I remember singing the words. I mean, the intro song was obviously catchy as hell. You know, how his life got turned upside down. But yeah, you know, I mean, before that with DJ Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince, Parents Just Don't Understand. What was the one with Freddy Krueger? Nightmare on My Street or whatever it was called. But he had a success. Summertime, I think that was like 96 was summertime. But I mean, it was just, the dude was like unstoppable in the 90s. I mean, he was on, you know, what was the name of the Independence Day? And then he ended up getting, I mean, he was on so many, the thing is that one of the movies that bombed was Wild Wild West. And I actually enjoyed that movie. And it was like a bomb. I thought it was really good. I enjoyed it. But we're going to get back to Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, and this is called The Banks. And it is paying homage to the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, and you'll be able to see that more when we get into this. This is a 3XL. And I really dig the flannel here, and so I went ahead and got it. Again, this is by Dixxon. Get the little plastic thing out of here. And Dixxon, I don't know who folds these things, but they do a pretty damn good job with all the little plastic pegs everywhere. But you guys remember those dress shirts back, you know, when we were younger and they had the pins in there? You always get stuck with the pins. I mean, I think now they're plastic, but yeah, there it is, the Banks. Yeah, this is definitely Moose approved. This is, and of course you got the logo paying homage to the Fresh Prince. I just now tore the sticker, but yeah. So it's got the little airbrush like you did on in the intro of Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. You got the Dixxon logo here. Yeah. Yep. This is definitely a paying homage. What are the buttons saying, these ones? Dixxon Flannel Company, The Banks. Carlton Banks. Remember that? It's not unusual to be loved by. Yeah. So yeah, he used to do that song. But anyway, let's go and show a close-up of this. And we're going to see how close this is to paying homage to Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. And here's a close-up of it. Let me grab the sticker that I tore. And that is the sticker that came with it. Of course, you got the airbrush Dixxon. I wish the airbrush Dixxon would have been here. That would have been pretty sweet. Got the Banks, size 3XL. Of course, the logo or the name on the pin. Got the Dixxon here. We've got the little Prince crown there. And then they got the radio. I don't know if you'd have paid attention to that, but it has the Banks. And it has the little boom box that he used to carry when he was at the basketball court and got beat up. And his life got turned. He had to move with his parents, or with his aunt and uncle in Bel-Air. Yeah, that's a good looking flannel. All right, let's go ahead and try this bad boy on now. All right, so we got the Banks on. Digging it for sure. Of course, we had Carlton, we had Uncle Phil, and Vivian. I had a crush on Vivian back in the day. And then you had Tatiana Ali. She ended up having a little bit of a music career after the show. And I don't know what she does now. But yeah, this is it. And then Jeffrey, the butler. How about that episode when Uncle Phil, when they snookered, what the heck is it? I'm drawing blanks here. They were playing pool and he snookered him, and then Uncle Phil came up there and basically took the money back and then kind of ridiculed him. Uncle Phil was a badass dude. You don't mess with Uncle Phil, especially with his nephew and his kids. Woo-wee. He put the smack down. But yeah, let's go ahead and stand up, show you what this looks like. Yeah, this flannel is it's great. It's definitely paying homage to the Banks, Carlton Banks, and our Fresh Prince, Will Smith. There you go. I couldn't think of his name. There we go. Thumbs up. I'm going to give this like a 4.7. One of my favorite Dixxon flannels for sure. I love how they pay homage to the show. And yeah, great job there, Dixxon. You guys are really hitting it out of the park lately. Yeah, this is pretty sweet. I mean, you guys had that AOL flannel, which was badass. The autism awareness one, that's my favorite flannel of all time. But yeah, great job. Reviews and Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see everybody next time. Thanks again for watching.